Get a mixing bowl, put in 1 cup of self-raising flour, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and about 1/4 cup to 1/3 of a cup of oil. Now mix this together. Now get a Jaffa line, give it a good spray, and pour your mixture straight in. Just to make it a little easier, I usually just do one at a time. Close down the lid. Now I find for Jaffa maker that I have, and they're probably all the exact same heat, 3 to 4 minutes is enough. I usually do 3 minutes, then I unplug it and leave it in for another minute or so, and that should be plenty. And then take it out and do what you will with it. Now let's open it up and check. Oh, that is perfect. Look at that. Awesome. Now just get a plate, put some sugar on. I'm putting caster sugar. Put some cinnamon sugar in with it, and just mix that through. Get your donut, give it a little spray so that will stick to it. For those of you that want a center, just stick this straight in there. This is caramel, and squirt some of that in. Yum. Let's cut this bad boy open. Yummy.